But they can't tell nothing, Jada, God know we stop all of me. Just fishing out that Jada, your whole big banana too small. Don't cash up big and toss right close. Up to that level. They never do the money like that first. Put me there last first. Jada better you know the music, try to the actress. They leave love fear, all loose from me brain. Bitch ever call me name, yeah, you upset them, say, strike force, I go tear down the place. Travis never can't strike when I sit up on him face, so me never force it.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So as you not just hear for yourself, Shenseea this up Jada Kingdom in the wickedest way. People, this happened at the Red Bull Culture Clash. So this was last night, right? And it was 4 teams. So it was the Strike Force team, which was Governor and Jada. Then you have Team Romish, which are Shenseea, Ding Dam, Romish, and TJ, right? And then you have Did for the Culture, which was Spraga Benz and Salam Remy. And you have Rhythm Stream, which was Walchi Fire and Willichin them, right? But people, it look like Shenseea decide to target Jada out of all of them. When they don't know they have them beef in a real life, so Shenseea just take the opportunity to diss up Jada wicked. So I want to think about it, these people. Like, she flip the banana song and call her Jada Condom. You see what I say? I want to think about that. But people, what I want to tell me is that Jada take it personal. It seems like Jada answer upon her story. You see me, I say Jada say I them win the clash. I have all of that to go forward for sure. No. Seeing. So first I want to tell you about Dona. So Dona was at the event also because he performed for a short minute. You see what I say? But it looked like say Dona meet in an accident when him left the event. You see what I say? So this is Dona's second accident this year. I'm hope him alright. It looked like say him car mash up from what we see or whatever. Cause you know some people are drive by on the road and see Dona in an accident and video it. So I have one little short 10-second clip me I'll show you.
Oh shit, accident with Aidonia. Jano star Aidonia. As a second vehicle this.
Alright, so we hope say Dona is okay. But back to the war, people, you see what I say? So even though Shenseea is on Team Romish side, Shenseea still now make the opportunity pass for vice on dub plate for somebody else. And it make it clash all the nicer. So Rhythm Stream play one dub plate people and Shenseea dub plate at this up Romish wickedest way. Can you believe it? You see what I say? Shenseea did end up on Team Romish, you know. But Strike Force a play one dub plate where this up Romish. Blessed dub plate. So hear this little piece of clip here where Shenseea a this up Romish. Hear this.
What's the time? Romish. You're vexed with Russian. Because Russian thief Shenseea from you. But what you never know. Rhythm Stream plant our money big. Shenseea kill Romish.
Can you just imagine dating a nigga who don't eat? I can't even say it.
Can't say it, man.
I can't even say it.
Shenseea. First thing in the morning, when we wake up.
Alright people, so want to think about all of this culture clash war and thing. When the thing say it go on good. You know, over the years we see like Papi them and some other people. I remember everywhere. Spice was on it too at one point, and some other people. You saw me I say, but every year at least it go on, or most for what me know. I think every year, but it look like some year them skip over. I'm not sure still. But let's get into what Jada response was, right? So after all of that dissing and thing, Jada know, say, Ray, me not see no clips yet from Jada, like actually dip on stage and a this Shenseea or nothing yet. Maybe it out there, maybe me not get it yet. But me a go know what I have seen this come from for Jada's story. And Jada say, Red Bull, Pee Wee, Max Glazer, them a rob we. Strike Force win, but them know the clash end up in a beer boo. Through them been a give them friend. So she has the clash end up in a beer boo. Through them been a give them friend. Them dead. GSDM go, you know, your mother, with a straw. Them for shame of themselves. So that sound like a Shenseea she attack to, you know. It sound directly like a Shenseea scene. So she did address the part where Shenseea say, call her Jada condom scene. So she said, I'm gonna be launching condom soon. Gonna preview the mock-ups later. Oh, condom sound. And she write the condom in her own way. So you see what I say, and then she say, Jada, y'all know I'm a businesswoman, condoms, banana skin flavor too. Why not? So maybe there's an opportunity in it for Jada. Maybe Jada can really start sell her own banana condoms or whatever it be. You see what I say? Inspired by a diss by Shenseea. So let's see if that's gonna be a thing. It would be good still. Me not lie. Like for them. If you don't know, say you can actually flip a situation and Ray. But tell me one thing, people, in our comment section. Then the next thing she say, heavy big dick energy, condoms, banana flavored. See, so the know say Jada take that to heart. She know I go just because Shenseea style her up, but banana too small for your hole and ray. She take it personal. See, she answer up on her story there, and plus she vex say them win the clash and them not get it. So people get another comment section, tell me what you think about this. You see what I say? If anybody did they have some more clips and can tell more what one, put in the comment section. If you don't know who can find Jada Kingdom part, you see what I say? Me see like just a little piece of Strike Force and Ray, you know, say a Rhythm Stream play the dub where this Ramesh and them thing them. You don't really see a lot of team Ramesh like that. Only the odd part them from Shenseea. You see what I say? And this a picture here too where Shenseea say, it's Shenseea, bitch. Me never know say I saw Shenseea creative like that. You see what I say? Because like, for make dub plate and flip somebody's song, it's not always easy, and every artist can do that, especially a female artist. So, you know what I mean? I think she deserve a little props for that. You see me? Because them style are usually like Vibes Cartel and them and they style up the say. You see me I say? I don't know Cartel going on when it come to clash and war thing. You see me? So we have to give Shenseea props to that because it seemed like she going good in a clash. You see what I say? I'm well want to see Jada Kingdom part them in here. You see what I say? Because I never see Jada, at least we hear Shenseea freestyle all the while and Shenseea will do some other things where we know say, all right then. You know, too surprising. It's surprising how she deal with it, but at the same time, it's expected a bit. You see me? But I want to see how Jada Kingdom go on. You see what I say? I want to see Governor part them too. So, you know, I don't see no clip at all of Spragga Benz. I don't see none yet. You see what I say? Maybe it out there. Definitely there's clip, but I don't see none yet. But, like me I say, people, so, I want to know opinion on this. I want to know what you think about the whole culture clash. Red Bull culture clash. So I say, like the feedback. By the way, people, I'm not sure who win. It sounds like Shenseea then win. I don't know still. It sounds like that from what Jada says still. You see me? They sound like the message that say, oh, maybe I said she has talked about Shenseea for shame herself, but it look like she has said they promoted them for shame of themselves. You see me? But anyway, from what she said, it seems like a Shenseea them win. Because I don't know, or maybe Walchi fire them win or whatever. I don't know still. I don't know people, but you see me? So if anybody did it and can tell who win, just leave it in the comment section. But overall, just give me a comment and tell us what you feel about this. If you feel like Shenseea shouldn't go so far, if Shenseea gone too far, you see what I say? I want to can definitely see Jada respond to it. Or she'll be, you know what I mean, she just use it to her advantage as a race. She could have make it go on and say nothing about it, but she decided to say something about condom because Shenseea call her Jada condom. You see me I say, which is kind of creative pan Shenseea side, which pan Jada side, Jada says she got turn it in her business idea. So make go see what one. But other than that, if you haven't subscribed to this page, if it's your first time on this page, please subscribe and like. You see what I say? And share the video. Send it go give a friend and tell them say, yeah, you want you to chat off him mouth. I tell them about Shenseea and Jada. So, big up on yourself until them time. Alright.